Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I've got 2 boxes from 2 different wholesalers. I'm super excited about it, and so we're going to talk about where did I get these from and what I think is in the box. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this box right here is from a wholesaler, free ship. I found it on a wholesale website. At first, I thought this was a return because it's in a box that says, does it say it on that side? Yeah, LED fairy lights, and I'm like, I didn't buy fairy lights. But then when I saw who it was from, I thought, okay, maybe this is the product that I was looking for. It's a little concerning to me that it's from a wholesaler, and it's not in like the original product box. That's normally what I see is the original product in the product box. But we're going to kind of check this out. The box is in pretty rough shape. Like this whole side right here, if you can zoom in there, it's totally split and you can see inside. And so I'm really hoping that the product is actually in good condition. It looks like they just stuck one piece of tape over the middle. I even tape my boxes better than this. Usually there's either 3 pieces of tape or I tape the whole edge here. So let's see what it is. I've been waiting for it for a while, so I think I ordered it before the first of the year.
It says it had to come from Canada.
Yeah, so this came
I'm
DHL.
if like, you know, customs opened the box.
Yeah.
Which I don't understand why they would.
Well, I don't know. I don't know much about customs. Okay, so here is the invoice. Oh, I remember what we ordered here. Okay. Wow. So there's a couple of different things in this box. So we've got, this is called a pocket guitar. I'm going to open one just so we see what exactly it is. I remember getting this, just being really excited about putting this on the store. So it comes in this little bag, so it can kind of go anywhere with you, hence the name pocket guitar. And basically it is a little fretboard that folds out. Let's see if I can get it open. I don't want to break it. How do I open it?
I have no clue.
I thought this folded out.
I think it does, doesn't it?
I thought so.
Could be wrong.
I don't know. I don't want to. Maybe it pulls out. It pulls down.
There
okay.
we go. Look at that.
So it's basically a little thing to practice your different chords. And so it's got nylon strings on it, but you practice your different chords with it just while you're sitting, relaxing, doing whatever, sit in your chair or whatever.
Does it make any sound at all or no?
I mean, it does.
You're making beautiful music.
Thank you. Thank you. So that's what that is. It's a pocket guitar to practice your chording and stuff like that, especially when you're a new player. So we've got a bunch of those in here, and those are going to go on the store. So you'll be able to find them right at hookedonpickin.com. And then, ooh, I'm really excited about these. Are in much better condition than I expected. I wasn't quite sure what size. The big issue with ordering from this specific wholesaler was they didn't have sizing of any of the handbags. But this is a perfect crossbody bag. It is genuine leather, but it's got this nice black bag, and it's got all your places for your cards and your money, and then a pocket here. It's basically as deep as the bag, and then another pocket here. This has so many pockets. I love it. And then another one here, which is the main pocket here, goes all the way down. And you've got a little pocket on the back. And another pocket. Wow, this is a much better bag than I anticipated it being. So this is a black crossbody bag that we're going to be putting on Hooked on Pickin, which I'm really excited about.
Are you going to price all this stuff at the end?
Yes, I will be pricing everything at the end. So stay tuned to the end, and you know how much each one of these will be for sale on hookedonpickin.com. So if you watch to the end, then we'll be able to show. So we've got a bunch of the black leather bags. And then we have the brown version. Really nice brown version. Kind of will go with everything. So, and
what's the tag say?
This one says, "Love your life, super soft leather crossbody, light brown bag."
I like it.
Yep.
Is it live your life or love your life?
Sorry? Live your life.
Live your life.
Live your life. You can love your life too. That'd be all right.
Yeah.
And then so we have a bunch of the brown ones. And then we also have a blue one. This one is navy blue. Exact same style. So every color you can imagine we decided to order. And this is a place we can continue to reorder from. So if you guys buy us out, we will be reordering as soon as possible. Here's another pocket guitar. Another brown one. And look at this, we even have red. For those of you who love the red. And they're all genuine leather crossbody bags. So, and it does have an adjustable strap. So if you wanted it to just be a shoulder bag, you could adjust it all the way short and then you could make it super long. So look at all those. So we've got red, blue, brown, and black, and the guitar, pocket guitar. So that is awesome, and we got a fantastic deal on those. So stay tuned to the end. We're going to definitely be pricing those so you know exactly what to expect. And I'll probably put the links in the description of all the items. This was another large box I'm really excited about because it's very hard to find at a good price. These are from Via Trading, and I've been waiting on this box. Do you want to see what's inside? I do. All right, so there's a ton of these. We're going to make them available on Hooked on Pickin just because it's kind of a necessity to have these things these days. So, here we go. You guys loved when I pulled these out of the liquidator the last time, but these are all in brand new condition. These are K95 mask protector masks, and they're this, so it is the K95 style. And they look just like this. They're in individually wrapped packages. And so we'll be selling them. I'm not sure how. These are 30-piece boxes. I'm not sure how we'll sell them yet. If we'll sell them in
the
2 packs.
Fluctuating.
Yeah, so I don't know. We'll sell them 2 packs, 5 packs, 10 packs, things like that. So we're going to actually go online, do some research, find out what these are worth. They also do have the metal nose guard in them. So if you wear glasses, that's really handy because you can bend it around your nose and put your glasses over the top and it stays put. So that's really, really nice. So these are professional N95 protective masks. We're going to do some pricing. These are 30 in a box. We have 600 in this total. So we're going to see how we want to sell them in various different increments and just kind of go from there. So stay tuned. We're going to get them listed on Hooked on Pickin, come back to you in just seconds with prices for you. Okay, so everything is available currently right now on hookedonpickin.com. So you just go to hookedonpickin.com, no G on the end of that Pickin, and you'll be able to find all the items. I'll also link all of these items down in the description. So if you're looking for a specific one, you can easily hit the description button and find all the links. All right, so here is the prices for each item. So for the pocket guitar, which has 3 frets on it, 4 frets, I guess, $14.99 is what we're charging for that on hookedonpickin.com. And so you can buy those there. And then for the crossbody bags, we've got all of the various different colors. $19.99 is what we're going to be charging for the crossbody bags, and they are genuine leather. So you can get brown, black, blue, and red. And then last but not least, we are offering the KN95 masks in various different quantities. So if you want to buy a whole box of 30, you're going to pay $29.99. So that's basically $1 a mask. But you might not have $29.99 to spend. And so we are offering smaller increments. So if you just want to buy 10 of these masks, a 10 pack, it'll be $11.99. If you want to buy 5 of them, $7.95. And then if you only need 2, $4.99, and then you can just get 2 of them. And so those are the various different prices for the KN95 masks. And so we try to make it affordable for everybody. So go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of these products. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing, how to sell my items, and then of course I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. I I've always got new products on hookedonpickin.com, so you can go ahead and check it out there. And don't forget, if you spend over $100 on products on my store, you automatically get free shipping inside the United States. And if you're an international buyer, don't forget to buy as well. I do sell internationally, so if you need any of these items, we can ship internationally as well. So hopefully you love this video. If you love it, give me a thumbs up.